Hello everyone, welcome to Coders Camp. So we are at 25th day of May LeetCode challenge, and the problem we are going to cover in this video is evaluate reverse Polish notation. So the input given here is an arithmetic expression represented as a string array, and we have to evaluate this expression by using reverse Polish notation and return the value in integer. So let's understand this problem with an example. So before getting into this example, let us understand what is a reverse Polish notation. So reverse Polish notation is also called as postfix notation, which is nothing but representing the arithmetic expression in the form that first comes the operand and then the operator. For example, consider this 3, 4 plus is a reverse Polish notation. It is nothing but the representation of 3 plus 4. So first the operands come and then followed by the operator. So this is nothing but considering this whole is within a bracket. That is, it comes 3 plus 4. If suppose the expression is saying 3, 4, 5 minus plus. So how this will be represented? So as I said, for two operands there will be one operator followed. So here's the two operand and one operator. So this whole is considered as one expression. So if you do this or simplify this, then you will be having 3, 4 minus 5 plus. So in this case, if you solve this, this is going to be minus 1. So there comes 3 minus 1 plus. It again shortened to the first example I have explained, which is nothing but 3 plus minus 1. So this is going to be solved as 2. So hope you're understanding what is a reverse Polish notation. Now getting back to our example, here the numbers given is 2, 1 plus 3 star. So as I said, 2 operand and 1 operator. So this is going to be 2 plus 1, then a 3 star. So now 2 plus 1 is going to be 3, then 3 star. So now two operands and one operator. This is going to be represented as 3 star 3, and 3 star 3 is going to be 9, and that is going to be our output. So how are we going to approach this? So as I have explained, there should be two operands followed by one operator. We can say this in other words that whenever we see an operator for the first time, we have to consider this particular operator for the previous two numbers. So we are going to get the help of stack here. We are going to push the elements into a stack, and whenever we see an operator, we are going to pop the top two elements and perform that particular operation and put the number back to our stack. Let's go for a quick dry run before getting into our code. So let's iterate the string array to get the operands and operator. The first character is 2, which is an operand. Let's push that into our stack. And the next string given here is 1, which is again an operand. So let's push that as well into our stack. And next comes a plus, which is an operator. We are not going to push that into a stack. Instead, we are going to perform that operation to the top two elements in our stack. So let's pop those two elements 1 and 2. So 1 and 2, if you perform addition, it is going to be 3. So let's remove these two from our stack as we have popped already to perform the operation and push the value that has formed into our stack. Now 3 is the top element in our stack. Now comes the next string in our input, which is again a 3. So let's push that into our stack. And then comes the star operation. So here we are not going to push that to our stack. Instead, we are going to apply the operation. So now pop top two elements from the stack. Both are 3's. So now we are going to perform 3 star 3, which is 9. So let's push this to our stack. So now 9 is the top element in our stack. So let's iterate. We don't have any other elements left in our input. So we are done evaluating this expression. So what is the top of our stack is going to be our output. So hope you're understanding this solution. So here we are iterating our given input only once and returning the output. So for that, it is going to take big O of n time complexity, where n is the size of the given input array. And we are going to use a stack, and that is going to take big O of n space complexity. So let's go to code now. So here is our code for this problem, and we have declared our stack and we are iterating the given string in our input array. So here we are using a switch case where we are checking if there is an operand, then we are going to perform the operation. If not, it goes to default and add that to our stack simply. So first we are checking if it is a plus, we are simply going to pop the top two element and add. Same way, if it is a multiplication, we are going to pop the top two elements in the stack and add it to our stack. If not, if it is a division or subtraction, then in that case we have to perform the operations in order. So we are declaring two variables a and b initially, and we are popping the top element and assigning that to our b, and then the next top to our a, so that it performs exact or in exact order. So again we are performing the division or subtraction and adding it back to our stack. And finally, once all the iteration is completed, we are returning what is there in the top of our stack. So yes, let's run and try. Yes, so let's submit. Yes, the solution is accepted and runs in 4 milliseconds. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked this video. If you like, hit like, subscribe and let me know in comments. Thank you.